Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing the new second generation AirPods Pro, which is currently Apple's top of the line in-ear headphones featuring noise cancellation and now the new adaptive transparency mode, a number of other features including longer battery life, added touch control so that you can control your volume directly from the earbuds themselves, but there are numerous other features that are advertised which I'll be testing out in my final review, so definitely subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. This second generation model I was highly anticipating, awaiting for a better battery life AirPods, as I did have the previous first generation AirPods, not the Pro model, and now after 5 years of owning that, its battery life is definitely suffering. So I was looking for Apple to release something a little bit better, and then I was looking for a drop in price, which came in the form of $50 off Amazon during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday week. So here's a quick look at the outside packaging. So you have a little bit embossed image of the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. You have AirPods Pro on the top, and then you have the Apple logo, shiny silver, on the two sides. Then on the back you have the actual image of the AirPods in the case, and you can clearly see that it is 2nd generation. It has Apple's MagSafe technology built into the case, and you can see the copyright is 2022 as it was released in September this year. Feel free to pause this video if you want to take a look at the printing in more detail, because for sure there are a lot of imitations out there. I've even done a whole video about how to distinguish a real from an imitation one in the past. If you're interested, check out that video. But to be safe, I'll be putting the link where you can buy it straight from Amazon in the description. And then now here's a look at the bottom here. There's going to be a sticker which my finger is covering that contains the serial number. But that's pretty much it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and break the seal here. We have the Apple's frustration-free seals that you just pull like this. There's one on top, and then here's the other one on the bottom. Opening up, we see that we are greeted with the design by Apple in California with the paperwork. Back of the pocket does say copyright 2022. So first off is the quick start guide. It actually has a lot more paperwork than if you saw my iPhone 13 mini unboxing, probably because it's a little bit harder to do a quick start when it doesn't have a screen like an iPhone. So it's nice that it gives you quite a number of graphics and short text to tell you what the functionality and controls are on this new Apple AirPods Pro. And then the next few pieces are just basically regulatory stuff, legal information. So the first one is about safety, and then the next one is about the regulatory compliances, and then finally the warranty. Not present, if you notice, is any Apple stickers, unfortunately. And now with the paper out of the way, we can see the Apple AirPods in its case right here, still wrapped in plastic. We'll get to that in just a minute. It looks like there's an indication here underneath that there is more stuff to be had. So removing this divider, you are greeted with the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to Lightning cable that's about 1 meter long. And the final accessory in the box are the actual ear tips, because these are the Pro models. You want to make sure you have a good seal. So new in the 2nd generation is the addition of the extra small ear tips, which is nice since I have pretty small ears. In the packaging, you see extra small, small, and large, because the medium-sized tips are already on the earbuds themselves. So let's go ahead and remove the protective film around the case. And here is the brand spanking new AirPods 2nd generation. So this is just the unboxing video. It doesn't end here. I'll obviously be testing it out to its full capacity as I usually do. So make sure you're subscribed to see that video when it comes out, and smash that like button to let me know you want to see that review sooner rather than later. Thanks for watching.